Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to activate your Gridbox license and gain access to all pro features. From your Joomla dashboard, navigate to Gridbox. In the navigation menu, click Components, then select Gridbox from the list. In the Gridbox dashboard, click the About Gridbox icon in the top right corner. In the modal window that appears, click Activate. Enter your Balbooa username and password. Then click the Activate button. That's it. Your Gridbox license is now activated and ready to use. You now have full access to all Gridbox features, including themes, plugins, and apps. If you're working locally and have activated your license on a local host or subdomain installation, you'll need to deactivate it before transferring it to your primary domain. To do this, open the About Gridbox modal window again by clicking the About Gridbox icon in the dashboard. Next, click the Deactivate icon. When prompted, confirm the deactivation by clicking the Apply button. That's it. Your license has now been deactivated and is ready to be activated on your primary domain. The activation process is the same as demonstrated earlier in this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.